Welcome to the fascinating world of traffic signals. Today we are going to be installing this 70-foot mast arm here at this intersection at 5 Points in Jackson, Mississippi. Let's get right into it.
I really don't have a shitload of control on it. Hey Ben, let's let it back down real quick. Get that cross and put under. We need to slide that strap my way, about a half a strap. I know it don't sound like a lot, but it's really a lot.
All right, we are loading the 70-foot mast arm onto the truck and then getting ready to go set it at the intersection down the road. Trying to rotate this guy out in front of the truck to get it loaded. Our saddles are on the driver's side of that bigger truck. Gotta get this guy centered out. He's going up with the boom. Cable down! Get boom left. Hold that. Cable up some. Cable down a little bit. All right, here we go with the mast arm. Get up here, just try to guide it. Every bit I can. See, we got to split the span, tethers, and a communication line. Anything that's black that you're next to is not. I mean, inside the jacket maybe, but other than that, you're good. Top 3 wires are very top. No, you shouldn't be near it.
Cable up.
Right on that truck. Be out from under, just be away from it.
Keep going, just a little bit more. All right, hold that. Go out with 3. Hey, get out to the pole. Hey, go down some.
You gotta be ready, TW, you're gonna guide it in between the communication lines.
Go down some.
Well, hold on to the base. As long as it ain't getting away from you. If it's getting away from you, let off. Frank will have it.
Hey, you're under. Hold on, Ben. Got us tied up.
It's probably the truck is what's causing that. It's hitting that auger.
All right, Ben. Cable up some. All right, let's suck in 3 a little bit. Hey, ease up on it. Suck in 3 a little bit. Bring it around now. All right. Come on, keep doing that. You watch that, just don't hit the line. Keep getting it back where we were. All right, hold tight. I want you to grab that line. Hey.
Tagline, TW.
And throw it over. I got the pole. No.
Hey.
Just grab this portion.
TW, bring in the tag. Yep.
I got the pole. TW.
Hey, feed it over this communication line and back down to the ground so they can help you.
We got the pole. I just need you to guide it through there. Now y'all two gonna play a game of just going around. Now, hey, when you get to that one, take the first line, throw it over. Okay?
Now that first tagline again, get it passed on this tether.
Hey, hold up. This side, that's heavy, so we can control it better. If it was down too much, you won't be able to control it. So you got to help him keep it off that line, but we don't want to sit on this thing. So you got to use your depth perception and try to help him, okay? And that's when I'm saying do it like this, so you just got to
and start working your way towards the shaft. Clearly. Hey, yeah. Honestly, where you're at now is probably a good time to start pulling that cable out, letting it.
So high. Come on down with 3 some. Go down now. You're letting your belt out. You're letting your end go up. Keep it flat. All right, Ben, rotate. Rotating.
Hey, TW, be ready. Yeah.
Hey, he's hung up.
Steady, just kind of keep guiding it over towards the shaft with you.
Your end go back up now. All right, Ben, come down.
Y'all make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. Let's get right back into it.
Come down, son. At this point, it's over with. Hey, what you doing? Well, get your string undone. I threw it through them holes. Hey, get that down. We ain't got that one over there.
Hey, just before you do the bolts, make sure everything's good on the backside.
Show me that hole for right now. Tell me when you got it. Ben, I need you to cable down just a hair. Cable down just a hair. Are you cabling it down? Go back. All right, hold that. I got him. I just need to know what you need. He can't go that way. Cable down just a hair. What you need? Go back. All right, hold that. All right, tighten those up. Start putting the wrench on. Step down, man. Rotate back toward me.
Not a huge one, but pretty decent.
Let's get some more.
You said you think more? Oh yeah, I'd be clearing that up there. Yeah. Better.
All right, do y'all know what raking a pole is? All right, when you lean, all right? So we want to put X amount of weight because we're thinking the weight of that's going to straighten it back up. If you put this thing straight and you put the weight on it, it's going to pull it like that. And we put rake in it. You can see it there, you can see the base. You got to lean to it. Now, if you got a double on, you got to kind of figure out that one and this one, and you kind of rake it back point, yeah. Or well, this point. So you got no on that one. There you go, Pete Edgar. Good. They're going to move that. Yeah. Come on down.
right, guys, and as you can see, we have that 70-foot mast arm installed. She's nice and tight. Yes, it was a lot of hard work. We had to go in between this communication line, the other communication lines, and the span. Hard to see in video, but there's another little tether cable that's connecting the bottom of the signal heads for the existing intersection. Plus, on this side, we had to split it in between those as well, barely missing the poles, the existing signals themselves, and back that mast arm right into the shaft here and get it all bolted down and tightened down. But we made it happen. She's up. Tonight, if this rain stops, we're going to be working on getting that 45-foot arm. It's on this shaft here, right here, and it's going to stick out towards this bank here, this region's bank, and it will be picking up this approach. So that's the game plan tonight. Let's hopefully make that happen. And then we got a lot of dirt work to complete, and hopefully we'll get our bores in by the end of this week. And yeah, so as always, thanks for watching.